In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge duplicate clients in QuickBooks Accountant. Keeping your client list clean helps you avoid confusion, prevents accidental duplicate transactions, and makes reporting more accurate and efficient. Before we begin, there's an important detail to understand. QuickBooks does not have a merge button for clients. Instead, merging happens by renaming one client to exactly match the other. And once you merge, it cannot be undone. So take a moment to confirm you're combining the correct records. It's a good idea to quickly review both entries and make sure they truly refer to the same person or company, noting any differences you might want to keep, like updated addresses or notes. Let's walk through it. First, sign in to QuickBooks Accountant and open the relevant company file. From the left menu, click Sales, then select Customers. This is where client records are stored. You'll see both versions of the client here. Choose the duplicate you don't want to keep, the one with fewer or outdated details, and open it by clicking Edit. Inside the client profile, locate the Display Name field. Change the display name so that it matches the client you want to keep letter for letter, including spaces and punctuation. Precision matters here. To avoid typos, consider copying the display name from the record you intend to keep and pasting it into the duplicate. Even a small difference, like an extra space or a missing period, will prevent the merge from working. Now click Save. QuickBooks will recognize that the name already exists and display a message asking if you want to merge these two records. Confirm by clicking Yes. QuickBooks will then combine the records into a single client using the name you decided to keep. After merging, all related data is consolidated under the remaining client. That includes invoices, payments, transactions, and attachments. Nothing is discarded, it's simply unified so you have one clean history for that client going forward. When you're done, it's smart to open the remaining client record and scan the details. Make sure contact information looks correct, review open invoices or credits, and run a quick customer report to verify totals. If you have more duplicates, repeat the same process one pair at a time, always matching the display name exactly. And remember, merging is permanent, so take a careful look before you confirm. With these steps, you'll keep your client list organized and your books accurate without extra cleanup later.